You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. For more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. French pronunciation is as Jacquelina. However, in English, it's normally pronounced as Jacquelina, Jacquelina. How do you pronounce it yourself? Do you know any Jacquelinas, or are you one yourself? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments, Jacquelina or Jacquelina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.